YYD new type of Apple bracket. Newly upgraded camera clearance space. Compatible with the latest models and domestic mobile phones. Scaffold upgrade side flip technology. Protected rubber strips are installed on both sides. Protects the frame from scratches. Long distance screw. Quick clamp screen. Adjust the position of the suction cup. Pull down the suction cup. Twist the screw. Slowly pull off the back cover. Flip the upper part of the frame bracket. It's more convenient for us to work inside. During the process of removing the screen pulls apart a gap, available with sieve or other tools. Release the suction cup. Removable bracket. Remove directly at a 45 angle. More convenient for pure manual screen disassembly. To prevent aging of the phone mount adhesive. Aging and shedding. Humanized design. Easy to operate without professional experience. Safe and non-destructive screen disassembly. YYD dual-purpose screen disassembly tool. 好品质认准 YYD。